fresh wave of missile activity has jolted East Asia. North Korea launched approximately 10 ballistic missiles on Saturday, according to a report by Yonhap News Agency, citing military sources in South Korea. The launches sent multiple projectiles, streaking toward waters off North Korea's eastern coastline, marking one of the most concentrated missile demonstrations in recent months and instantly drawing the attention of regional defense authorities monitoring developments across the Korean Peninsula. South Korean military officials said the launches were detected in quick succession and tracked as they traveled eastward, highlighting the scale and coordination of the activity. The salvo underscores Pyongyang's continued focus on advancing its missile capabilities and maintaining a visible deterrence posture, particularly at a time when security dynamics in the region remain sensitive and closely watched by neighboring governments. Defense authorities in Seoul immediately strengthened surveillance and monitoring following the launches, sharing real-time intelligence with partners including the United States and Japan. Regional monitoring systems tracked the trajectory of the missiles to assess their range and potential impact areas, while analysts began examining technical data from the launches to understand the type and characteristics of the projectiles involved. The reported salvo comes as military readiness across Northeast Asia remains elevated, with Allied forces continuing routine coordination and preparedness measures designed to respond to evolving security developments on the peninsula. Missile launches from North Korea are closely scrutinized because they provide key insights into the country's advancing weapons systems and operational capabilities. While details about the specific missile models and ranges are still being analyzed, the scale of the launches has once again highlighted the volatile strategic environment in the region. With surveillance networks on high alert and governments sharing intelligence updates, the latest activity underscores how quickly missile demonstrations can draw international attention and reshape the security conversation across Northeast Asia.